Today I'm going to show you how to remove the radio on a 2017 Nissan Sentra SR Turbo. This does have the backup cam, which we will be retaining. So first step, you need to grab yourself a pry tool, a plastic pry tool. You're going to come top left corner is where I'm going to start. Pop out that clip, and it should easily come out. You just got to get it in there. Okay, there's one side, or at least the top. Come in here, take this thing and go in from the inside. Popped out. Look at that, simple as that. Popped out. Actually popped the other side out as well. If you see here, there's a hook on that. So once you get it popped and you have it like this, you can't just pull straight out. You gotta lift up and pick up the bottom. You gotta lift up and pick up the bottom and then pull out. And that's your dash kit for the 2017 Nissan Sentra. Now, this one's fairly simple. You just got 1, 2, 3, 4. Take out the bottom. So you don't want these screws to drop down, they're a pain to get out. So there's one, this one's not completely removed. Okay. After you get those out, you'll just pull this off. There's a little, if you see here, there is a little, let me see if I can't get you guys some light. If you could see that, there's a little hook right there holding that in. So you just want to lift this up and pull on out. And then there's going to be the Sirius XM and a few other plugs back here. They're just simple. You just push in and pull out. If you see them tabs, you just push in and pull out. It's as simple as that. There's quite a bit back here because you got the backup camera. I believe you got AM, FM through a Sirius antenna as well. You got your power. You got your speaker plug. So there you go. And that's how you remove the radio on our 2017 Nissan Sentra SR Turbo.